Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your records management business. If you offer document storage, then you probably receive a lot of repetitive queries. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will explain your services and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for records management business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, welcome to Records Management Company, secure partner in record storage and retrieval. How can we assist you today? And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says storage services. And it responds with, we provide climate controlled storage, barcode tracking, 24/7 surveillance, HIPAA, GDPR complaint protocols. Next, I'm going to select request a quote. And it responds with, to give a quick estimate, please reply with number of boxes or files. So here I'm going to reply with 6. Is asking me for pickup location, so I'm going to send a demo response as ABC location. And it responds me with, we have received your details as ABC location, we will send a code shortly. Then I'm going to choose the last option that says document pickup, and it responds with, schedule a pickup, please share company name. I'm going to send XYZ company, and then it responds me for preferred pickup date. I'm going to send a date. And then it is asking me for pickup location. I'm going to say ABC location. And it responds me with, we have received your details as ABC location. We will send a code shortly. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Records Management Center. We have created this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, and when we create a new flow, it is initially named as untitled. So I'm going to rename it as Records Management WhatsApp Chatbot Flow. On the screen, you can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression. It is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. When you click on choose template, you get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can curate our first message with the help of text button. Here I am going to enter a welcome message. Here I have added this message which will look like this to the user. Here I have added these star signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here, with the help of add button, I am going to add some quick reply options like this. Once we are done with our first message, we have to curate response for each quick reply option. Let's begin with storage services. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again. And here I'm going to add the services. It will look like this to the user. Next, I'm going to create a response for request a code. And for that, I'm going to access the action type nodes. And then I'm going to click ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place it here. And here I'm going to add this message, request a code to give you a quick estimate. Please reply with number of boxes or files. Here we have select contact custom field, and if you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. I'm going to select number of boxes as add, and I'm going to select format as number. Here we have minimum number and maximum number range. So I'm going to choose minimum 3 and maximum 10. Then I'm going to link it to the respective quick reply option. We have number of attempts. You can provide as many as you want, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Then I'm going to get another question box, and here I've added, now kindly share your pickup location. Here I'm going to select address, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Lastly, I'm going to create a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. We have received your details as $add and $address. These two were our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual details of the user. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for document pickup, and for this I'm going to again access the add question box, and here I'm going to add this message where I've asked for company name. Then I'm going to select contact custom field as name, and as format I'm going to select text, and then I've linked it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to curate another question. Here I've asked preferred pickup date. Here I'm going to select time, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. And then I'm going to ask address, and for this I'm going to link it to the address question box that we have received earlier. It will ask address, and then it's going to send the same confirmation message. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for records management company. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.